Here we are. I just want to show some of the doorknobs and hinges in this house. As you can see, I mean, poor workmanship, quality. That's on most of the doors and hinges. Here, let's see what light we can get here. You know, that's just horrible job. Here, same issue. Just paint all over. I'm gonna go to the other side of this, and this right here, that's not supposed to be white. That's supposed to be bronze. You can also see how the door is damaged there, and same here. And like I said, this is on several of the doors. I'm not gonna go to every single door, but I'll just show you. This is another door here in the hallway, just to show, you know, it's not just one door, it's throughout the entire house. That one seems to be fine. Oh, here's another one that's all jacked up. A little dark here. There's another one. Oh, look at the dripping of the paint on this door. I mean, that's dry paint. That's not wet. I'll put my hand through it so you can see. That's dry. That's a finished product there. There's really no knobs in here. I'll go to the other room. Here's another one. That's real bad. Again, I apologize for the lighting. I don't have all my light bulbs. But all these hinges gotta be cleaned. Hopefully they could be cleaned with paint thinner. That's gonna be the first attempt, and then the second attempt is replacing them.